Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Face ID not recognized. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all open settings. From here guys, scroll it below and then tap on journal, scroll it below and here tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open again, and from here guys simply tap on software update and make sure that there is not update on your device. If there is an update then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then again go back and you have to make sure that the true depth camera is clean. So guys, clean the true depth camera and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open journal, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your all setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still problem is not fixed, then open settings again and scroll it below and here tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode and from here guys you can see here reset Face ID. So simply reset your Face ID and set up a new Face ID. So guys, after resetting your Face ID, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.